Hello, Pennsylvania. We're gonna have a fun day today. We are right off to the side of the Lincoln Highway right now. You can see that giant gas pump, but we're not hanging out or doing anything Lincoln Highway related today. We're actually going to a theme park to make our dreams come true. We're gonna enter the land of make-believe. We're kind of right outside Latrobe where Mr. Rogers grew up. And the last couple times we've come through, we've done Mr. Rogers themed vlogs, and this will be no exception. We have seen a lot of the sets, we've seen a lot of the puppets, we've seen where he was buried, where his childhood home was. Now, we get to do a very unique experience. Like I said, we get to enter the land of make-believe. Yes, Idlewild actually has a Mr. Rogers ride. I never thought I would see the day. So they gave me a whole map, and unfortunately, just for one day's admission, it was $56 to do this today. But they said if you take your ticket to the main office or the guest services office and pay $15, they actually give you a season pass. I hope this is worth 56 bucks. My curiosity got the better of me. So they have a whole section here called Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood, and Daniel was one of Mr. Rogers' characters, so we're looking for that. I think it's right here, actually. So they told me to take this over to Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood. Hey! So they said it used to be called Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood, but since the show's not on anymore and Daniel Tiger's show is, they call it Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood. Trolley's right over there that we want. The neighborhood trolley. I can't wait. I'm worse than a little kid at some of this stuff. I just love to have fun. I can't help it. Here we are. I can't wait to see this. And it's also showing that he was born in Latrobe, 1928. His show captured the hearts, imaginations of viewers across the globe. I see a colored tunnel. I see a neighborhood trolley that just arrived. Let's do it. So number one's for the driver, and we got row 2. Can't get any better than that. This way we can at least slide back and forth to see what's on both sides.
Alrighty neighbors, welcome. My name is Kendra and this is Trolley, and we are going to take you to the neighborhood of make-believe. Now, before we do that, can someone tell me who lives in the neighborhood of make-believe? Go ahead and shout it out. I heard Daniel Tiger, that's right. Now, neighbors, I have an important question for you all. Do you want to make-believe with me?
Yes, of course.
All right, we have a full trolley. Let's try that one more time. Do you all want to make-believe with me?
Yeah!
Awesome. All right, let's all close our eyes and make believe Daniel is getting on trolley with us. Keep those eyes closed. There he is. You can open your eyes.
It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, a beautiful day for a neighbor. Would you be mine? Could you be mine? Won't you be my neighbor?
Hi, Daniel.
Hi, neighbors. I'm so glad you're here. You're just in time for Neighbor Day. It's a special day when we all do something nice for our neighbors.
We are so excited too, Daniel. And look, we're about to go through the tunnel that'll take us to the neighborhood of make-believe.
I'm so excited. Thanks for taking us, Trolley.
Here we are at the neighborhood of make-believe, and our first stop is Prince Wednesday's castle.
Terrific!
Look, neighbors, there he is now.
Say hi to Prince Wednesday with me.
Hi, Prince Wednesday.
Hi, Daniel. Hi, neighbors. Happy Neighbor Day. I'm really excited to see you.
Why are you so excited, Prince Wednesday?
Because we're about to have a special neighbor hugging song at the castle.
Now that sounds perfect for Neighbor Day.
I know. Will you help me tell everyone in the neighborhood about the hugging song?
We sure will, Prince Wednesday.
Thanks. Just tell everyone you see to come along to the neighbor hugging song. Let's say it together. Come along to the neighbor hugging song. That was tiger-tastic.
Sure was, Daniel. Now, neighbors, let's try it one more time so we can remember. Let's all
come along
to the neighbor hugging song.
Thanks for helping me, neighbors. Bye. See you soon.
Bye, Prince Wednesday.
Bye.
I'm so glad we can help Prince Wednesday. Hey, since it's Neighbor Day, maybe we can help all the neighbors we see. Do you think we can?
I think we can, Daniel, but neighbors, do you think we can?
Yeah.
Terrific! Sing with me.
We're off to find our neighbors to invite them to the hugging song. Won't you ride along with me? Ride along. Won't you ride along with me? Let's all sing with Daniel one more time. We're off to find our neighbors to invite them to the hugging song. Won't you ride along with me? Ride along. Won't you ride along with me? And
cool.
look, neighbors, we're coming up to the neighborhood treehouse.
Do you see my friends? It's Katarina Kitty Cat and O the Owl. Let's say hello.
Hi, Katarina Kitty Cat.
Hi, O the Owl. Hello, Daniel. Hello, neighbors. Happy Neighbor Day. Hoo-hoo. Hi, neighbors. Isn't it a beautiful day, meow meow?
It sure is, Katarina. Now we have a very important message for you both. Do we remember what to say, neighbors?
Come along
to the neighbor hugging song.
A neighbor hugging song?
That's right, Oh, just for Neighbor Day.
That does sound special, meow meow. Oh, yes, it does. I think I'll bring my favorite book to share at the hugging song. Hoo-hoo!
That's perfect, Oh, but where is your book?
I don't know, Hoo-hoo. Can you help me find it? Do you see O's book? Where is it?
Point to it if you see it, neighbors.
Oh, there it is. Thank you, neighbors. You helped me find my book.
You're so welcome, Oh. Now, Katarina, do you have anything special for the hugging song?
I'm going to do a dance at the neighbor hugging song in my beautiful tutu meow meow.
That sounds fantastic, but Katarina, where is your tutu?
I don't know, meow meow. It's on her. Can you help me find it? My tutu is very important for my dance. Can you find Katarina's tutu?
Point to it if you see it, neighbors.
It's on the fence. It's on the fence. Oh, there's my tutu. Thank you for finding it, meow meow. You are such good neighbors on Neighbor Day.
You are so welcome, Katarina. Now it's about time we get going to that hugging song, and we will see you both there.
Bye, neighbors. Thank you. See you later,
Bye.
Danielle.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. We're off to find our neighbors to invite them to the hugging song. Won't you ride along with me? Ride along. Won't you ride along with me?
Okay, neighbors, we're coming up to the museum go-round. Oh my, and look, there is Miss Elena.
Let's all say hello.
Hi, Miss Elena.
Hi, Miss Elena. Hiya, tits. Happy Neighbor Day.
Happy Neighbor Day, Miss Elena. We have a very important message from Prince Wednesday for you. Neighbors, come along to the neighbor hugging song.
Oh boy, I love hugging songs, especially on Neighbor Day.
Me too. And will we see you there?
You sure will, but I'll be Astronaut Elena in my space helmet.
Wow, that's out of this world, but where is that helmet?
Oh no! Where did I put my helmet? Will you help me, neighbors? Do you see Miss Elena's space helmet?
Point to it if you see it, neighbors.
Thanks for finding it, neighbors. Just in time for the neighbor hugging song.
You're welcome, Miss Elena, and we will see you there.
I'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. We're off to find our neighbors to invite them to the hugging song. Won't you ride along with me? Ride along. Won't
Oh,
you
there's the
ride
clock. We
along
saw
with
that
me?
in Mr. Rogers
Alrighty,
Center.
neighbors. Can anyone guess who we might see next?
Daniel.
I'm hearing some good guesses. And here we are coming up to the neighborhood clock factory.
The clock factory? That's where my dad works. And there he is. Hi, Dad.
Hello there, my fuzzy guy. Happy Neighbor Day, everyone. Welcome to the clock factory. Are you on your way to the castle?
We sure are, Dad Tiger. Will you be joining us for the hugging song?
I sure will. But first, it's almost chime time. Would you like to hear it?
Definitely, but what is chime time?
Daniel, would you like to tell them?
Sure, Dad. Chime time is when all of the clocks in the clock factory make their special music.
And now, it's about to begin.
Wasn't that terrific? Thanks, Dad.
Yes, thank you, Dad Tiger. Now, neighbors, it's about time that Daniel joins his dad at the clock factory.
That's right. I'll get off Trolley now, so I can come along to the hugging song with my whole family.
Alrighty, neighbors, let's all close our eyes and make believe that Daniel is getting off Trolley. There he goes.
Bye, everybody. See you at the neighbor hugging song. Bye.
Bye, Daniel. Bye, Dad Tiger. Okay, neighbors, we're coming up to our neighborhood mailman, Mr. McFeely. And look, there he is now. Let's all say hi, Mr. McFeely.
Hi, Mr. McFeely.
Well, hello there, neighbors. It's good to see so many happy faces on this beautiful Neighbor Day. I'm on my way to make a speedy delivery to the castle.
And what's your delivery?
It's a surprise. Come to the neighbor hugging song to find out.
Okay, neighbors, does anyone want to guess what his delivery might be? Oh, I'm hearing some good guesses. I guess we'll just have to find out at the hugging song. Now, do we remember what's his home, Mr. McFeely? Come along to the neighbor hugging
I'll be
song.
there. Bye, neighbors. See you soon.
Bye, Mr. McFeely. Alrighty, neighbors. Is anyone excited to see a certain neighbor?
Yes.
I'm excited to see all the neighbors at the Huggin' Song. Neighbors, look! Look who it is! Look where we are! We made it to the Huggin' Song.
Welcome! Happy Neighbor Day! Welcome! Happy Neighbor Day!
Happy Neighbor Day, Daniel. And look, there he is with his family and all the neighbors.
Hi, neighbors! Look, everyone came to the Huggin' Song, and Mr. McFeely brought us all sunflowers. That was his special Neighbor Day speedy delivery. Aren't they terrific?
They sure are, Daniel, but now what should we do?
Well, we start with hugs. Everybody hug all the people you want to hug.
What a great idea. Everyone give someone you love a hug.
Wasn't that terrific?
Sure was, Daniel. Now what?
It's such a good feeling to have everyone here for Neighbor Day. Are you ready to sing?
I think we are.
Here we go.
It's such a good feeling to know you're alive. It's such a happy feeling. You're growing inside every day. It's such a good feeling.
Ideas for you, and you'll have things you'll want to talk about. I will do, because it's you I like. Ugga mugga, everybody.
Ugga mugga, Daniel, and happy Neighbor Day.
Happy
Neighbor Day.
Goodbye. Happy Neighbor Day.
Bye, Daniel. Bye, neighbors. Thank you, neighbors, for joining me in the neighborhood of make-believe today. Now remember, let's give 3 more hugs to someone you love or ugga mugga before you leave the park. And on behalf of me and our whole Daniel Tiger team, we thank you for coming to Idlewild and Soak Zone. And let's give a big nice wave to our neighbor on deck and say, hi, neighbor. Hi, neighbor. Alrighty, neighbors, let's remain seated until the trolley comes to a complete stop. The bar is lifted and the chain is removed.
Well, we can cross that one off our bucket list. Well, that was a lot of fun for someone, me, who doesn't have kids and has never seen Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood. Remarkably easy to follow what must go on in the show. Being a fan of Mr. Rogers, they just took everything that Mr. Rogers taught and shared and made Daniel basically Mr. Rogers as a little boy, so great ride. Now the question has to be, was it worth the $56 since I only came mainly for that? Oh yeah, it totally was. To get to live out that little experience, for me it was totally worth it, and I hope for you watching it was too. And actually right over there, Daniel is making appearances, taking photos with fans. See, there's Daniel over there. And his sister, I believe. Now, I don't know if Mr. Rogers just didn't want to be a cartoon and be involved on the show, or if, you know, why they didn't do that, but it seems like he really should be still part of the theming. I would have loved to have seen that ride before they rethemed it. So the park is actually on both sides of the river, so you can either take the train like we did the first time, or just walk over the bridge to the other side.